What's up, YouTube? Today we got Bobby from Napa, and he's going to show y'all something pretty cool. It has to do with water and banging. So, who knows? Let's take a look.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
All right, guys, good to see you again today. I've got a cool new program or product through the Napa system that's available through Grody. We've all seen strip lighting before. This has just come out to us. It's either in kit forms with a connector itself, or you can hardwire it. Cool thing about it, it's available in white, blue, red, so you got a lot of different usages with it. This one here, simple on-off button, and as you can see, pretty bright. The cool thing about this compared to some of the strip lighting that's out on the marketplace today is completely waterproof. As you can see, it's not going to break down in any way, shape, or form. You've got two different ways to connect this. One comes with metal stripping, you slide it in. The other one is 3M stick-it tape that comes with the connections. This is perfect for cabs of your trucks, undercarriages on your ATVs, toolboxes. I brought it to Clay's attention for his service truck on the inside of the box truck to light it up. And then for those of you guys that are saying, oh, well, yeah, it's great, it's waterproof, but I beat mine to death. Can't break it either.
Wow. That'd be great for motorcycles. Awesome for motorcycles.
Y'all check it out. You can find it in any of your local Napa stores. It's through the Grody line. It is the XTL. Again, like I said, it's going to be available in a lot of different sizes. And then last but not least, it's a 12-volt system, so it runs on a couple of AA batteries inside your cases. Check it out. Come back and see us.
All right, like always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.